Best Mace enhancement in Minecraft. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys, or I will be sharing you guys some of the best Mace enchantments in Minecraft. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So the first one is Density. Density is a new enchantment exclusive to the Mace that will be released with the Minecraft 1.21 update. The weapon has a special feature where it attacks damage increases with a player's falling height. It means that you can deal lots of damages if you land a shot while falling. This enchantment simply increases the damage per fallen block, which makes even more powerful over short falling distances. It has 5 levels, each increasing the damage utility by 1 per fallen block. Now the second one is Bridge. Bridge is another new Mace exclusive enchantment coming to the Minecraft 1.21 update. This is a relatively simple power up that will reduce the effectiveness of an enemy armor. With each level, it decreases the protection of the armor by 15%. This enchantment is great against the tougher mobs with armor or other players on a multiplayer server. Now, the last but not the least is Windburst. Windburst is the third and the last new Mace enchantment in Minecraft. It is the hardest to obtain since it is only found in the Omnimus Vault inside Trial Chambers. As the name of the enchantment suggests, this power-up emits a wind burst, similar to a wind charge from the Mace whenever a player successfully hits an entity. This wind burst will not only knock the entity back, but the player as well. Since wind burst can be cleverly used to get a jump boost, they can be used to increase the Mace power. Wind burst has 3 levels, each increasing the strength of the burst. So these were some of the best Mace enchantments in Minecraft. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.